What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad, why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt is designed to provide peace of mind from anywhere. It works with your phone, your voice, your finger, and even a key. It connects directly to your home's Wi-Fi in seconds to provide smartphone control from anywhere, eliminating the need for additional adapters, which saves you time and money. So gain peace of mind and upgrade your home to the safety, simplicity, and style of Schlage.